A healthy outside starts from the inside. Dear children, in this module we are going to learn about GUI operating system desktop management. Dear children, you have learned in your previous class that MS Windows is an operating system that controls the overall activities of a computer. MS Windows operating system has many flavors called versions, such as MS Windows 95, MS Windows 98, MS Windows 2000, MS Windows XP, MS Windows Vista, MS Windows 7, MS Windows 8, MS Windows 8.1 and now Windows 10. Let us learn about Windows 7 in this chapter.
Windows 7. Windows 7 operating system is developed by Microsoft Corporation for use in personal computers, tab and smartphones. It is used both at home and for business purpose. Children, do you know what is graphical user interface, that is GUI? GUI is an operating system provides graphical interface to the user to work on it easily. This type of operating system gives friendly environment. The user can work on it by clicking the icons and open the file etc. without writing any commands. It uses pictures for performing different operations. So you can do not remember all the commands. You can perform functions like creating, renaming, copying, deleting files, folders just by using a mouse. That is, graphical user interface uses button and icons. So the operation becomes very easy. You don't need to remember any commands, nothing. So to perform creating, renaming, copying or deleting, you can use a mouse. Features of Windows 7. Windows 7 has a very attractive look with colorful themes. It comes with the new features, improved programs and faster speed. It has security tools are used to keep your computer more secure. Windows 7 has a very attractive look with colorful themes. It comes with the new features, improved programs and faster speed. Among the new features available in Windows 7, there are new technologies that run in the background, making your computer more efficient and reliable. And it also have security tools that are used to keep your computer more secure. Common editions of Windows 7. The most common editions of Windows 7 operating system are Windows 7 Home Premium, Windows 7 Professional and Windows 7 Ultimate that you can see on the computer. When you start Windows 7, its desktop appears on the screen. It has many icons on it. These icons are used for opening different programs, files or folders. That also you can see a picture with a desktop icons. With that you can open any file and folders. You can move on to different programs. Control panel. It helps to manage different resources and functioning of a computer. Control panel is like a command center of a computer. You can control different devices attached to the computer. It is also used to change display settings, add or remove a program. change data and time, etc. What is control panel? It is the main center, command center of your computer. It is the main part of a computer. You can see the picture, that is the control panel window. It has been put in the computer. So there you can see all the categories. Many categories are there, like system and security, network and internet, hardware and sound, programs. There are many categories are there. It has different things. When you click on that and get into that, each have different operations. That is what it has all categories that helps us to manage different resources and managing all the computer system. That is why computer panel is like a command center of your computer. So you can use easily and control different devices attached to the computer system. So in that, what you can do, you can change the display settings, you can add or remove a program, change date and time, etc. Jump list. Jump list or the list of recently opened items such as files, folders or websites. It helps you to quickly open the items that you use every day. Jump list appears when you right click on the program icon on the taskbar. For example, you can see on the computer, the jump list for Google Chrome shows frequently viewed websites, and the jump list for the Microsoft shows recently opened Word files. What is jump list is whichever thing you open the most websites, it will take you in the most visited sites. So when you click on that, you can operate and you can go to your favorite websites. Similarly, the Word, whichever Word files you are working daily, it will be opened in your recent words. So you can go there and click. No need to go to the full commands and go there and check and to do. It will be very easy and you can use it very easily. That is called as jump list.
Opening the control panel. By now it is clear that you can easily change the setting of the computer using the control panel. To open the control panel window, follow the given steps. Click on the start button and click on the control panel option that you can see on the computer screen. So the control panel window appears on the screen that you can see on the computer. The default view of control panel is category view. You can change the view of control panel to change large icon view or small icon view by clicking category and selecting the required options. The large icon view and small icon view display a complete list of all items in the control panel. The large icon view, you can view the thing. The letters will be large in size, whereas in small icon view, the letters will be in small in size, but it displays a list of items whatever there in the control panel. Changing the appearance of the windows. In control panel, the appearance and personalization category is used to change the display setting of the windows. This means that the desktop, background, font color, font size, window color, sound can be set by as you desire. To change the appearance of the window, the following steps are to be followed. First, open the control panel window and there click on appearance and personalization icon from the list. So you can see the appearance and personalization window. In that, click on personalization, that you can see on the first option. Click on personalization option. So Now the themes window will be opened. You can see in the computer. In that you can choose the theme and click on apply on it. So the applied themes changes the window color and screen saver, desktop background and sound of your system.
Icons. What is icons? Icons are small pictures that represent a file, folder or a program. We can open any program directly by double clicking on its icon. So let us study some icons here. My computer. It displays a list of hard disk, CD drive and pen drive. For example, local disk. Double click on the drive to see the contents in it. When you can see my computer icon in your desktop. So when you click on that, when you double click on the my computer icon, it will open a page, a window. In that what you can see local disk C colon, local disk D colon, and whichever device is attached to it, that is pen drive or CD. In that way it gives a list. So that is what you can see on the computer. One is the desktop icon and another one window, that is when you double click on it, which page it will take you, that is shown in the picture. Recycle bin. It displays a list of deleted files and folders. It acts as a dustbin for a computer. Children, you all know what is recycle bin. Recycle bin is whichever thing you have deleted, the deleted files and folders will go there to the recycle bin. So when you double click on the recycle bin, you can see whichever thing you have deleted, files and folders are deleted, it will go there. So the picture of one picture is recycle bin icon, the other one is when you double click on the recycle bin, which page it takes you. So you all know that. Network. It displays shared files or folders on the computer connected to the network. That is, what is network? In the network it will show, you can see the icon there, the network icon. When you double click on it, it will open the page that is also given there. You can see that. So what it displays the files and folders which has been in the network, that is on the computer which is connected to the network. Internet Explorer. It displays the window of a popular web browser. Internet Explorer. It is a software used to open the website on the computer. As you all know, you're familiar with the Internet Explorer icon, you know that. So what it displays, when you click on that, it takes you to the web browser, whichever web browser you are using, that is Google Chrome is there, it will take you there. When you open it, when you double click on that, it will take you to that web page. My documents. It displays a list of documents and other files associated with programs on your computer. What does a documents do? When you can see the icon there of a documents. When you double click on that, whichever documents are stored in your computer, it will take you there, whichever files, folders, everything you can see there, and from there you can select your files and folders. So documents, that will display a list of documents and other files associated with the program in your computer. I hope in this video you got a better understanding about Windows 7 and its control panel and its operation and the icons. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.